as well too. Powell's comments. That's something you hear at bottom. That's funny. But again, that's why I said though. I said it on the watch list not too long ago. Just remember, right now we're in a holding pattern. We're going to inauguration or whatever, but people have a lurking suspicion, depending on what we see, by spring we're going to be on the lookout if Powell turns hawkish. Ever since the beginning of 2023, he has been extremely dovish, if you can't tell. We've seen it in real time, mind-blowingly. But at the end of the day, we're going to see with the policy, data, everything, this Powell, there's a chance of a hawkish shift. But for now, I mean, the man is still fairly dovish in everything he says and does. Yeah, you do. You need the South Korea friends to go crazy today on crypto. You do that, Bitcoin's gonna hit 100K, and then everything's gonna go. But you need the Koreans and you need the rest of Asia. I mean, it's looking good for now, bro. Like I told you, it tops out like kind of in the early morning, then goes down, and then the end of the day cycle is at nighttime with the Asian markets. Dovish is bullish, hawkish is bearish, technically, yeah. It's buying near the high, bond's still up there too. So let's see though, not bad, bro, not bad at all. Disney X dividend, no. You could check on TD, just go to trade, and then go to more details, and it'll show you X dividend on every stock.
I got this damn shit.
Okay, that's great.
MSTR. It's funny, those plays were dead, and now they're up on the ask now.
It's hanging up in the
wild, but yeah. So we'll see. Very good day, man. It's a wild one, though. At this point, I just pray to God we don't wake up with nothing else tomorrow morning. Because every single morning we are waking up to something ridiculous. Whether it is a martial law or an assassination attempt in the morning in New York ahead of Investor Day. So, I don't know, man. Tomorrow might be crypto. We'll see. Your tech lead is Egyptian. Can you tell me something I could tell him to win you over? I don't know. A joke? Egyptians like jokes. It's funny because I feel like it's kind of becoming all too common. But there was a time in history. It still works most of the time. I'll just tell you now. Like if you know any Middle Eastern, all you gotta say is Habibi. We love that. You know that. That's what I learned that as a youngin too. But don't matter, we don't care what color, ethnicity you are. We don't consider it cultural appropriation. All you gotta do is say Habibi. And he say Habibi, and then we all do that noise. And we go, Habibi, hey! That's it. And then Yallah, hit him with the Yallah, Habibi. That's it. So, you can't go wrong with that. But then again, Drake started using Habibi. It's kind of more mainstream now.
Oh, hell no.
So, I don't know, but Habibi goes a long way, and we love it. I love it. I love it. I love seeing a white guy call me Habibi. I love it. I don't know. It's just amazing. Anybody, if they're not Arab and they're like Habibi, I'm like, what? I love it. I love it. Mm-hmm. Yes. If they're a girl, you say Habibti. Mm-hmm. But you can say whatever. I mean, it works either way. But that's the feminine version. You were always scared to say it? No, man. You go the next smoke shop you go into. say it, Habibi. What's going on, Habibi? He'll trip out. He might give you 5% off for you. 5%, Habibi. 5%. We have margin. 5% for Habibi tax. Come on. That's it. Look what you started. Salam, Habibi. Are you guys testing this out or what? No, let me try it, Josh. Yeah, 99. All right, Bitcoin future is about to go 100K, bro. I don't know. Bitcoin just shot up another 1%. 98.6 now. The future's at 99.6. Another $200 or $100 there. It's crazy. I don't know. Coinbase is just updating from the day before. That's why the percentage is shot up. So it's not that crazy, but it's still going, dude. Everything. And then SPY 6085. And then we got 40 minutes left. Atlas Yahama. I've heard that a lot. All right, man. Well, dude, those MSTRs are actually working a little bit now. That's it. The ask is up and the bid is climbing. It looked ugly 10 minutes ago, but hi. No value, J&J. Oh, someone asked me. Was that you who asked me? Someone asked me about J&J. I like it. I know they have a couple of problems, but they're still in value mode. It was like, I didn't like it here, but it was a lot cheaper. They just still have all these cases, but it's kind of giving me Procter Gamble vibes. I think it has downside, but J&J is a quality company. They still got headwinds from that deal. That's what we got to watch out for. So we'll see, but I could consider it. It's not that bad. Marhaba, Habibi. All right, 98.9 Bitcoin. Spot Bitcoin's about to go 99. Again, futures are already there. Ethereum 38.8. So Ethereum might even go 3,900. TLT, I would exit them now to make them free, or I'm holding for the 95. I don't know yet. I mean, I think I'm risking right now. I'm going a little bit more risk on because, like I said, man, that 4-5 terrified me because I thought it was gonna hold, and then I was like, okay, maybe 5, and then it held perfectly. And then now these plays are rocketing, but I kind of want this gap fill. Otherwise, if it goes down from here, we're gonna lose on that. I mean, you still have 50% gains now, so I think you got to just decide. Are you aiming for more gains or are you aiming for more caution? Because you can make it free right now with a third of what you paid all free. 50% gain would lead to that, or you push it and maybe we could get the initial investment back. So it's up to you. You tried Habibi, it nearly cost you your favorite lounge. Not gonna lie to you, man. You might have to introspect a little bit. That you may have did something else. I've never seen Habibi fail, ever, in my life. This advice is only, you know what I'm saying? It's only worked. I don't usually say that about things. I think this has 100% success rate. You might have done something else. You're like, damn, Habibi. No, that's not gonna work. But, Habibi, you gotta, no, it doesn't even, you don't have to be Middle Eastern, bro. Are you kidding me? Howard Chan. If an Asian dude came up to me and said, Habibi, I'd be so hyped. I'd be like, brother, keep up, Habibi. But no, that's what I'm saying. Unless, it all just depends how you hit it, though. But like I'm saying, I don't know if you got vibes, we're pretty judgy sometimes, so you gotta watch out. Palantir, big pop. Hi. A little bit. It's recovering there from that. Again, MSTR, I got to throw that out. I already got Coinbase up, but they're going. All right, now you got higher on the ask. We're technically green on the damn MSTRs. Wild. How to make it pretty good. I hope so. I hope the analysis helps. I think you got to make your decision there. Remember, I'm playing with pure profit at this point, and that play has till March. But if you don't want to lose, make it free right now. There's nothing wrong with that. Otherwise, I'm trying to push for another $1, I think. But then again, a week ago I wanted to sell the rip, but then my level held perfectly. So it's I mean, welcome to the jungle, man. Spot Bitcoin hasn't hit 99 yet. It's about to.
Oh shit.
Now the MSTRs are up on the ask. Even higher, 125. That's so crazy. Those plays are ridiculous.
Yeah, we're ripping.
That's why I'm like, I bought it only for momentum, but shit, it's funny how it actually works. Yeah, is that the theory? Is that just ETH?
Yeah, we're ripping.
Best altcoin on the market. Oh. There it is. He's back.
Bradley Frizzle.
Hero. Oh yeah, do you feel it? Tell me Bitcoin's about to hit 100K without telling me. Like, hi, my name's Ciro. He said, here's 20 for y'all, baby. Not bad. Let's go, baby. You feel the best when you take care of yourself. Words of wisdom. Oh, and legal too. Y'all just, we need to, where is it? Where is it? I might get pressed this time. Oh, BL, Mark. Oh, stop it. Stop it. Why y'all stop it? Y'all just want me to lose my voice at the end of the day, huh? Stop it. That's amazing. Yeah, you guys, I told you, bro, we should sing a Christmas song every day until, oh! No! Please, let me keep my voice. No!
What the fuck?
Are you kidding me? I'm a business.
Yeah.
That's it, bro.
What he's doing Christmas
to get
bells,
you to
dude.
give me money.
Jingle
Is it
bells.
working? I think it's working. That's it. All you gotta. Oh shit! The dog is here. Oh, he hates. Okay, no. Hold on.
He said, "Oh shit, the dog is here."
He hates the bells.
No shit.
Okay. Oh no! No! Stop! Oh, you gotta go crazy. Oh my God! What the fuck just happened? Whoa! Yo, Tiara! Oh my goodness! Oh, whoa, Midwest, Elliot! Let's go, baby! Thank you, my friend. Oh man, Midwest did it on Twitch too, David? Makeshift too? Oh! This is insane. Oh my goodness. No, stop, dude, stop. I need to breathe, bro. Holy shit. Thank you guys. What the hell? That's it. The cryptos, oh my God. Oh my God. Bitcoin. This is the crypto wave, bro. Thank you, my, first timer! Stop it. Merry Christmas. Y'all are a gift every day. You know that? Some of you are little hoes, but...
That's real.
Oh, yeah.
That's fucking real.
Oh, yeah. Don't you feel it? Don't you? Don't you feel it? Let's go, baby. Wow, you got gifted, baby. RJ! I'm just too hyped now. Y'all are crazy. Please, let me have my voice, man. Oh, let's go. That's how you know MSTR. That just went insane, bro. That just went insane. That MSTR goes insane. Y'all go insane, bro. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Richard. Yeah. High-profile South Korean cabinet minister offers to resign. Born, not for that news, but that is hype. Let it roll. Thank you. Oh, Mabel. Now it just sounds like I'm jingling these bells so you throw money in my basket. Now I'm subscribed, but I love the bells. Let's go. Thank you, God. Thank you. For real, man. Let's go. Listen, y'all just, I don't know how y'all want to do this. Buy me a house one day, bro. Because I'll do this for free. I don't care. Every single day. Every single day. Y'all are a blessing regardless, man. Especially the real ones, man. You know that? Amen, bro. Y'all are a gift, bro. Thank you. Oh. Oh. Another 20! Another 20! Oh. Bro, you gotta stop it. Y'all gonna piss somebody off. You know that? You're gonna piss somebody off. Don't do it like that, bro. Come on. I'm already grateful, man. Thank you. Oh, Caleb. Stop it. Oh, man. Oh, are you in the damn Twitch? No, no. This is... Guys, stop. Why? This all... I didn't make Bitcoin go up, you guys. I just was here. Oh, wow. God bless the chat, baby. Yeah, it was high profile. I don't know who it is. South Korean cabinet minister offers to resign. Oh, man. Well, 30 minutes left, chat is going here. Let's get it, bro. Holy crap. That was crazy. No, dude, all that happened, bro. We just watched MSTR go nuts. And then zero, and then before I had time to react, bro, it was like 60 of them. And I'm like, what? That's crazy, bro. Thank you, Satoshi, right? Dude, thank you guys, for real, bro. It was already a wide, dude, the last couple of days have been a lot of fun, so, you know what I'm saying, bro? I ain't care about nothing except for what we got in store for the future, man, getting long terms, and y'all doing some good. Let's make some real change, baby. Let's own the whole market. Hey, turn my share like buy. Oh, another. No. Okay. Hold on. Gosh. Matthew, first time. Oh my goodness. Stop. I already feel it. Thank you. Hey man. Hey man. Hey man. We need the bell again. I need water, bro. This is nuts. I need another water. Hold on, bro. You guys killing me right now. This is it. I did not expect this. I thought we were just gonna ride off into the sunset. You know what I'm saying? Disappointed by Powell. Oh wait. Yeah. I don't know, man. This is crazy. This is crazy, bro. That's it. No, I don't know if we have co-real estate today. Because I was gonna say we might not even have the watch list, but oh no. No, the weather outside is frightful, but the long term is delightful.
Yo, I love it.
I can do it for free. He gave me a Christmas jam too. No, GTR. Let's go.
The long term is
I've been
delightful.
watching for years. Crazy, bro. Oh, thank you, my friend. I appreciate you, all of you, bro, for real. The hell? No, y'all just ate shit right there for no damn reason. Oh man, okay. I need a water, bro. I need a water, please. Give me a break. Give me a break on this, man. I'm humbled. Very, very. I love y'all, man. That's crazy. Holy shit. Oh. Hold on, I gotta get you a play or something. I see there's a lot of pressure. I gotta get you a TV.
Falling, right?
Dude, I'm like running out of breath.
No,
emerging markets are cheap. Wait, they were cheap last year, the year before,
Okay, I'm
the year
gonna
before, the year before, and look at South Korea. Geopolitical risk. You've got two major wars. The Fed probably is stopping after this. Another quarter, they've lowered rates 1%. Bonds still have an option, and I think people don't rebalance their portfolio enough. Right now, this time of the year is a great time to look back. Yeah. People are way overweight tech, way overweight stocks, and we've learned a lesson. Things don't run to the moon. They average up over time.
I am curious though. I mean, in terms of the portfolio allocation, and you talk about the overweights in stocks, obviously still crowded, but also we keep talking about all this cash on the sidelines, which is, I don't know where these sidelines are, but the cash is there apparently, and it's not moving. And
It's all mine.
And you don't, well,
Lucky that guy.
yeah, well, look, you don't need to move it. and I know that's 4.5 isn't 28% or whatever we have
Alright.
in the equity market, but yeah, as you know, it's all relative. It's based on, you know, your risk levels and things like that. And there are a lot of people.
I had to catch my breath, bro. Like, no, for real, I'm like getting winded. Like, oh, you waited till I got back, dude. Come on, that's cold. Say the first timer, too. Florida. Oh, he waited. I know you waited, dog. Why you gotta do me like that? Oh, man. Woo. Shout out to Cold. Okay, I'm gonna whisper it so my y'all just trying to kill me. I think I'm starting to think this is violent now. You know, I don't even think at this point. I think some of you are trying to hurt me. Like, you know what I'm saying? No. I think you are trying to take out my vocal cords. You know my energy. You are just you are taking advantage of my hype right now. I think the dog was like, something's going on, bro. I don't even. Wow. God bless you, Chad. Thank you. Intel executive says core strategy remains intact. UBS conference. I don't know if that's a good news or bad news. The Hershey Beneville, they said potential buyout or something, but again, a lot of doubt around that. But that's on you. Pay the plug. Let's go. Even though you're clapped on YouTube, it happens, bro. It happens. But don't stitch on yourself even with the dono, man. But you're good for now. I let y'all slide until y'all start being like weird again. Homeboy, the other like this boarded. He was like trying to call y'all out on like Biden shit for. I'm like, dude, the election's over. So amen, bro. Amen. Porsche 911 would never. Oh man. Well, thank you, Chatadonia. Well, that's a great way to close the day. Hi. We'll see. I don't know. We might not have the. I need to double check the Cole real estate. I might not even be able to make it tonight.
Nice. Excuse me.
We'll see, bro. Oh man. Oh, it's your birthday, EH? Well, yo, happy birthday, EH. What are you saying? I don't even know if you banned or not. I didn't see it in the chat, but hey, happy birthday. Amen, Brady. Amen. This is on your birthday too, bro. And Josh lost 10 years off of his vocal cords. Yeah, that's what happened. Thank you. Thank you, my man. It's your birthday on Monday, Kiwi? Happy birthday! Oh, man. Mm-hmm. Wow. Wow, my ears are ringing. I don't know if that's normal. Oh my goodness. All right, Juniper, they're in a buyout though. Watch out. Roblo on the high. Again, Bond's still holding SPY near all-time highs, but yeah, bro, that's crazy. Mm-hmm. Oh shit, Bitcoin futures hit 100,000. That was during all of that. Uh-huh. Hot Bitcoin 98.9 right now. Oh man. Man. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Dude, that's. Whew. Oh. FDA grants accelerated approval to zenocutuzumab Zibco for non-small cell lung cancer and pancreatic adenocarcinoma. So I forgot there was someone with I think NVCR was pancreatic cancer. They just FDA approved another one. I don't know who it is though. Bizengri Maris NV. It's foreign. Oh wait, is that Zena? No, it's not. Oh, and it's your first time. Are you kidding me? Oh yes, it's worth it. Stop it. At least you waited until I downed half of that water bottle, bro. I know you heard me too. So thank you. Oh my goodness. God bless Chatadonia. No what? Know what? Know what? It's sad. I didn't mean for this to happen. But I think the bells are like conditioning you guys to give me money. Because now I feel like I'm one of them Salvation Army Santa Clauses outside of Walmart. And if you don't donate right now, you're going to feel like a terrible person. I didn't say that. That's what the bell said. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to. I just like how they sound. I just like the Christmas spirit, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah. So don't worry. No obligation if you hate Christmas. No. Oh man, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. Oh man. Alright. Whew. Alrighty. Yeah, I'm still gonna need a minute. But that's great, man. God bless you, man. Thank you, Chad. Thank you. 60, 86, 87. Alright, so if we don't stop here, I think the low 90 top out or high 90 top out. Otherwise, don't you know, pump it up. Love the vibes today. They're coming, bro. And vibes have been immaculate. Or not. Stop it. No, for real, stop. You guys, it's okay. Thank you. This is amazing already, bro. Uh-oh, my bells are getting tangled. I don't know if that's... Okay, I fixed it. Oh, man. Oh, man, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy, you guys. Thank you. God bless America. God bless America. Oh, my goodness. Holy crap, bro. No, for real, bro. I'm like kind of winded off of this now. I don't know. I think it was the post-workout. I was already tired a little bit. Yeah, but no, vibes have been great. I'm telling you, bro, I don't know if you feel it or not. That's on you, dude. If you don't feel it, like, do your thing. But, bro, there's a lot of opportunity. The vibes are great. Like, let's make the most of it, man. And that right headspace, everything, bro. You're not even going to know what's happening while it's happening. Only when you look back, okay? So I don't know if you feel me, bro. But amen, bro. I don't know. That's why my philo, my energy is on something, bro. And you're right, because I'm excited, bro. Let's go. Oh, dude, that's great. Been watching since 21. Finally got the breakthrough. Time to play the plug. MSTR, baby. All right. Well, listen, let me use this hype to remind y'all. Be wise, baby. Pay yourself. Pay yourself first. Pay yourself before you pay me. Make sure. Let a winner turn into a trophy, like Zero even said. You know what I'm saying? Amen. I don't trade O. I own it in the long term, though. I still am in that. Oh. West! Don't stop it! Let's go, baby! For real, I know what you do every year at this time, big bro. Add it to the Christmas fund. Oh, no, here. No, then listen. Stop the donations right now. Stop the donations right now and hear me out. Whoa. Oh, that's Nibix. That's not Nibix. I was like, whoa, that thing went up $100? I just tripped out. God bless you, Midwest. But here it is, guys. Are you ready? I don't know. Nibix, this might actually be related to that headline I just read you. No, listen. Because if y'all want to do anything Christmas-wise, all I'm saying, save your money now. And if you ever see me sell a $200 t-shirt, I would buy it. And let that be your donation and let that go to something bigger. So then that way we could do something insane. But there's no guarantees. No guarantees, not a recommendation. I have to disclose that legally. So, but I'm just, as I'm saying, I think save it for that, bro. But thank you, man. All of y'all. This is crazy, bro. I'm not now my voice is getting clapped. They're gonna listen to me breathe. Yeah, Nibix. I don't know. I haven't double checked. It might be related to that FDA. The pancreatic cancer one. Intel says the foundry is very important to the semiconductor ecosystem. Oh man. I want to put the shirts up, but I need to get a sample. I don't have a sample made. And that's what we're gonna do. If we don't sell enough, I'm not gonna sell them. I'm gonna refund everybody. So that's the way I'm looking at it. If we can't accomplish it, we'll just refund it all and call it a day. And if we can accomplish it, then cool. I just sold $200 shirts. And then, yeah, that's it. Thank you for the membership, bro. Thanks all the Chad, bro. For real, y'all didn't have to. I appreciate it. Legal all day, bro. Thank you, my friends. Thank you. Now we only have 15. We just spent 15 minutes going. Oh, Bitcoin at 99,000 on spot. The best. That's your first one, too. Stop. Sorry, y'all should just leave if y'all haven't picked up on the vibe yet. That's amazing. God bless you, Catadonia. Thank you. Holy crap. That's your first one, Deb? That's amazing. That's amazing. It's Huntington disease first look? Ah, okay, good. Well, there you go. Because I was like, I saw that headline. I didn't see any other biotechs move. That was the only one. Yeah, that's the crazy part. I don't even know how many of you, YouTube don't even let you donate to me. That's the crazier part. Again, Intel keeps saying, hey, keep it, bro. Have the bells, bro, on an ongoing repeat. Holy crap. Yeah, Bitcoin's going crazy. That's how this started. This is how it all started, bro. Holy crap. Alright, let's get a look, though. Yeah, Bitcoin 99.7. Let me get you the futures. They have to be at 100. Yeah, Bitcoin futures are at 100,001. Tigray! Oh, no. Oh! I'm still banning you for that rocket ship.
Oh shit. Banned for a rocket ship.
What do you think? Oh my goodness. That's crazy. Can't stop. Stop calling. Oh. Bro, I look down. I look down in pain and I look up and there's a no. Because I feel terrible if I miss it, bro. Oh, and my voice, my vocal cords are gone, dude. Oh my gosh, Mike, Colin, Tiara, Mr. Momo, Daily. Oh, you guys hate me. I can't tell. It's a weird. I'm dying right. Oh no, no, bro. Stop it. Stop it. Dog, are you kidding me? Bro. What? Oh my, oh dog, no, stop it. Yo, stop, what the hell is happening? Yo, okay, let me at least read one of them before y'all going crazy on me again. Holy sh. You have no idea how you've impacted my life, bro. For real. Thankful that you created it. Grateful to be a part of the community. Even this rally. The Philo, the Wire, Uncle. So much to be thankful for. God bless you, Johnson. Of course, their family and the cult and all the portfolios. Thank you, man. For real, bro. Thank y'all. Zero again, Cole. This is G. Let's go. Tuna meltdown? Tuna? I don't even know what it is. Yo, wild day, bro. Wild day. From the news to Powell to now this. What are you guys doing, bro? Hold on. Oh shit. That water bottle was kind of open. Oh my god. Bro, I'm down 32 ounces of water since Zero's first donation, and I need another right now, bro. Oh man, bro, thank you. That's the first time. Oh, why? I didn't make Bitcoin go up, you guys. Please. Just, I know. Oh, man. Oh, man. No, that's it. Save it for the $200 shirt, bro. That's it, because I'm saying, that's it. That's what we need to make happen.
Chat.
Oh, dude, no, stop. I walk in my room and I just see there's another red one, dude. What the hell? Oh, dude. Dude. Hey, guys. Dude, bro,
Damn.
no, I think it's good for the dog because he just stopped caring, bro. Holy crap. Dude, I'm getting like lightheaded. I'm being dead serious. This is not theatrics, you guys. I am literally like, I'm kind of getting dizzy. Run it up, baby. Thank you, bro. Thank you, all of you, bro. Who else? I got Masu. We got Seth Rod, baby. I'm still buying the shark. Let's go. I love this place, Zach. Thank you, man. Rihanna Waterford. Oh my goodness, dude. Oh my goodness. Thank you.
9 minutes.
I don't know what you turn in. I mean, a lot of you. I don't even know. Let's see. Oh yeah. Y'all just made like 1,000 chats disappear. They said, fuck this guy. But I don't care. I love you. It's hard to explain what just happened. I have less voice. Bitcoin has like 10% more value. The MSTRs, they're kind of like back to break even, a little up. I mean, it's not even, like, at best, I gave you a $10 play. I have no idea what happened, bro. And now I'm dizzy. I don't know, bro. I feel like I threw a horseshoe of lip right now. I'm
What?
getting lightheaded right now. I'm just telling. I don't know. I just ran out of breath, and then they just kept pumping it. Oh, they said, "Run it, baby." Holy crap, dude. God bless America. That's it. And listen, save your money. If you ever want to give back to me, I want to do it in a way that'll be awesome. So save it for the $200 t-shirt. And if you ever want to thank me, how about we do this? I already talked about it today. Okay? Bible sales are at all-time highs right now. Oh, that one's a weird one, but I'll take it. I don't know what's happening. Oh, shit. Oh, man. Hold on. That's a dirty one. He just went up, bro. He just went up to the Santa Claus in front of the Walmart, and you just assaulted him. You just made a sexual advance on Santa, and I don't know how I feel about it, but I'll take it, bro. I'll take it. It's for a good cause, I guess. But all I'm saying, bro, I never said no eggplant, so you're right. You technically followed the rules. So thank you, my friend. No, you're good, bro. You're good. But it's very simple here, okay? Go buy a Bible or go read your Bible if you want to thank me. Yeah, that's it. Cost you nothing. Change your life. That's it. Start with Proverbs. That's it. That's it. Or just next time you don't want to listen to Philo, just give me 5 minutes. That's all. That's it. You know what I'm saying? That's all, baby. That's all. Holy, whoa. Read the book. Yo, there is another one. Booney? Oh, no, organic? Oh, Jason, purple. Bro, I'm not even, oh my gosh, dude. All right, well, no watch list tonight. Screw no, man. I cannot, dude, this is insane. I'm dead. This is pure adrenaline. Once my voice cools down, I know it's, dude, this is not, I can't do anything after this. Nothing verbally. I already feel it. My voice is coming out normal, but like I'm like pushing it, dog. Holy crap. Woo. Be here. Yeah, this is flabbergasted. Dude, this is crazy. No, I think this might be one of the biggest donation days. And there's MSTR, baby. Hold on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Bitcoin 99.25. Holy crap, bro. Oh, shit. I'm so happy, but I'm so pink. Let's go. I'm thankful for you, baby. Get that long term. Let's go. Tony! What the hell? Yo. Thank you, my friends. Oh my goodness. I love you, Tomar. Oh my goodness, dude. Yeah, bro. No, after like, dog. I can't blow the horn, bro. I'm actually dizzy right now. This is not okay. This is not. We need more deep breathing and water, bro. Hold on. I'll still stay. I just gotta chug the other half of this one. No, I'm fucked, dude. I'm fucked. I'm sorry. Excuse my language. But no, the last time I remember downing 3 water bottles in a short amount of time. It was at the Colt meetup when I met them, and I just kept talking, and I was so hyped. And the next day I could not speak, you guys. Oh man, you might literally leave me speechless by the end of it, man. Today's philo is legendary. Well, you're legendary if you make a choice. You know what I'm saying, baby? Let's go. Takutso. I can't even say that. Magnitude on the impact is greater, man. God is good, bro. And amen. And y'all the beacons, bro. Oh, man. I'm not saying your name, but I appreciate you. You did say it was special in the morning. You did actually. Chris, thank y'all. Bro, what the hell? No. I'm turning into a psycho. Now I'm just like hysterically laughing, bro. Holy crap. Just got back. I don't know why we're donating, but we love you. Chase our life. Boat ski cars coming to town. But ski cars is coming to town. He knows if you bought spy puts. He knows if you got long term. He knows if you've been banned or not. So chat backs for goodness sake. Hey, you better buy long. You better save 10. You better hold for a very long time. Long term is coming to town. Edward! Let's go. 2 minutes, y'all want to land a plane? Are you kidding me? I'm getting to land my plane, bro. This is crazy. Y'all turned me into Joe Biden in like 1 hour, bro. This is crazy. I can't say anything. I'm just here. Y'all wrap it up, bro. Eula, thank you for being here, bro. I love you. Nick Hagen, are you kidding me? You're a doctor. Save my voice. Stop. Wrap it up, Chad. Wrap it up. I can't land no fucking plane in this condition. You better make up your mind. That was a damn philo, dog. Let's go, fish. Let's go, Jeff. Game time. It's our turn. Just do what you gotta do, baby. Make your choice or life does it for you. I know, baby. Let's go, doctor. Thank you. Seconds, dude. I can't yell shit right now.
What the fuck? I'm lagging.
Wrap it up, Chad. 3, 2, 1.
That's it.
Ding, 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 ding. Y'all cash me out. I'm GGETC today, bro. I love you and thank you so much, bro. Are you kidding me?
Hell
This
yeah.
is a bit bittersweet because this is one of the most hype. I think this is probably one of the biggest dono days. I don't know how that just happened in 1 hour like that. I'm being dead serious. That's crazy, bro. So thank you. I don't know what I did to deserve it. I think we don't deserve anything because it's finger to the sky, baby. You know what I'm saying? And I appreciate all the first timers again. Let's go. So I love you, baby. Thank you for being here, man. Thank you for your time. That is the day. A much different ending than usual, but thank you, bro. For real. It was a special day, 7. Tell them. Tell them. Oh, my goodness. I'm grateful, bro. No. I'm grateful, bro. You have no idea, bro. I was just telling y'all even yesterday, bro. You know, for real. You have to realize it is adorable because I love you. I have the heart of a child, and sometimes I have the mouth of a god-awful sailor. But nah, man, I was just telling you guys yesterday. It almost brought a tear to my eye. I'm surprised it didn't. But I was watching my old videos, man, and I'm just telling you, I had a flashback to a life before stream, and I remember the things that I found interesting and where I thought my time was used wisely and where, not even wisely, just stuff that really was, I don't know, man. I lived a much different life than sitting in a room streaming all day. I mean, it's very apparent, but like I said, bro, I don't know. There's nowhere I'd rather be than this. And now I look at it, and I told you this before anything, man. And, you know, that's why what I'm saying, when I just look back at a lot of things and all the, you guys, y'all have changed your life. Some of y'all, that's it. Like, even now, there it is. Hey, man, I only post the ones I... Us. Told my, yo, notorious. Life up right there, but the LT plays keeping me. Let's go, baby. Let's get it. Don't worry. You never know what's happening when it's happening. The emotions will change, but the destiny's the same, baby. Let's go. Nicole, thank you. I be missing so many of them too, bro. Pablo, y'all tripping me out right now. Dude, my computer is lagging now. If I just click the donation thing, it won't, like, do you see how choppy it is? In my computer right now, guys. I'm telling you, this is tripping me out. Holy crap, bro. Yeah, bro, the chat is lagging like crazy right now. Yeah, bro. I think all of us are lagging right now. YouTube's like, hold on, he has a bandwidth limit. That's it, we care. Wow, thank you, Patagonia. Wow, so thank you, bro, for real. I love y'all. And let's go. Because I'm telling you, is this exciting? It is. I love you and I appreciate you. But I was already excited. So let's go, baby. Because I really hope y'all feel me, man. You know what I'm saying? That's it. The switch was already flipped, bro. I was already excited. I was ready to kick y'all in the ass. Light the fire. Let's get it going. So let's go. I know you feel it, baby. Game time. Game time. That's crazy. That's crazy. All right, here. As a thank you, I will let you listen to another 10 more seconds of this song. I'll give you the next 10 seconds now. It's the best I could do. That's it, man. Holy, I need a break, dude. I need oxygen. Dude, I feel like I'm tweaking off of a damn Copenhagen right now. I'm lightheaded. I'm from the vocals, the horn blowing, The energy, bro. I'm just like, I'm actually lightheaded. I'm buzzed. This is amazing. This is trippy as hell. Holy crap, bro. Y'all might just make my hair grow back. I feel it
Hell
tingling in my
no!
head. I don't know, bro.
He did not just say
Holy
that. Luke, that bar looks so fresh. Oh, thank you. It is fresh. It was made last night, Bloom. Yeah, that's fresh. I haven't even cleaned it yet.
I was holding shit and buying dips. You were a little kid. All I want is ownership. But I still put a
Thank you, Bloom. Thank you.
You could always use a dividend. Know you want the money. I suggest you do not rush with it. Dias aren't plans. Make sure you don't fall in love with it. You ain't never saved. By the second month you double it. Trading foreign currency. I don't need a double it. I don't need a translator. Now I'm ahead and run with it. I'ma always said never marry but have fun with it. Mama said that's wrong, but deep down I always fuck with it. You don't like my plan, do your thing, I wish you luck with it. Why they call me fan, but I don't see them at the holidays. Say that you're a man, but on the internet you talking gay. Go ahead, you can cancel me, but don't act like you ever pay. You look dumb as fuck if only one of us is playing charades. That's what I mean, bitch, that wasn't a parable. Just because they copied me don't mean that we're comparable. You support the phony, that just means your judgment terrible. An iPhone in your hands, you're a dark, that's a wearable. You about to stop, it was down, right in front of you. You don't got the lawn, it's hard for me to fuck with you. You
Lagging.
can't pay yourself, then I wouldn't put my trust
Lagging.
in you. Fuck it, dude. Hold my dick, I won't hold my tongue. Remember they were talking shit, but it was meta right in front of them. Think they'd have a little bit of shame from always looking dumb. Nah, they on a diet and it's humble pie. It's 2025, you could kick it, you ain't gotta lie. Ain't $1 million buying value, I don't buy the hype, my girl.
That's it. I said I gave you the 10 seconds. I give you 10 more seconds, dog. You ain't heard the rest of it. That's it. I said. It's not out yet. That's why I said I give you 10 more, bro. Uh-huh. Why you call me fam, but I don't see him on the holiday? Remember they were talking shit about Amazon when I was young. Oh, wait, they did the same. It was Meta right in front of them. You think they'd have a little bit of shame from always looking dumb? Nah. They're on a diet in this humble pie. It's 2025. You could kick it. You ain't gotta lie. Jeez. I'm dead. Thank you guys. I love you. I'll check afterwards. I think we might have broken a record. This might have been a dono record, bro. Thank you, Serge. Yo, legal again, bro. We got another member in there, bro. Are you kidding me? Take that, Dre. Why does that name sound so familiar? What's Harold. Guys. Yeah, I can't even see, bro. It's lagging out right now. I can't even get to it, bro. I can't even get to it, bro. Oh, man. Holy crap, bro. Don't let just make my hip go back.
Just say that. It is fresh. It was made last night. It's so fresh. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Bloom. It's so fresh. Bloom. Yeah. That's fresh. Bloom. That bar looks so fresh. Just say that. He did not just. Hell no.
Just make my hip go back. Don't let just make my hip go back.
Hell no. He did not just say that. Luke, that bar looks so fresh. Oh, thank you. It is fresh. It was made last night, Bloom. Yeah, that's fresh.
Don't let just make my hip go back.
I had to make that clip real quick. We're gonna share that clip. Hit that up. All right, I'm done trading. So after I share this link, okay, shared that link there. Now share it to Discord. All right, I shared the fucking link. Chid. All right. evolution. And I believe in the Big Bang Theory now. Evolution. Why don't you do something about it?
Well, in another case of F around and find out,
That
an Idaho hair salon is losing customers left and right because the woman who owns it decided to make a TikTok that went viral, by the way,
oh shit.
talking about how if you are active and people are heading for the door.
Wow.
And she's okay with it. It's really wild to see someone just pretty much run their business into the ground because they're so hyped up over the media. And it's the media that's made him into what he is. The media and what's going on with Trump, it's a psyop. It's wild what they've done to him. They basically kind of dehumanized him and his supporters to a lot of people. And this is a really good example of it. So this woman in this, I'm going to play them for you. They're from TikTok. We're going to go over them. But there's a case of her having a client for 15 years. She cut this woman's hair, went to family functions, got gifts for holidays and stuff from her. And she's like, I have no problem cutting ties with that person's business because they voted for Trump. Keep in mind, this is a deep red state. So the majority of her customers are likely Trump voters. TDS is a real thing, ladies and gentlemen. A real thing. And this is a great example of it. So think of this as a lesson on how
TDS?
to not run
I don't know
your
what
business.
TDS is.
Let's take a look at some of this viral TikTok in here. I don't get TikTok. I don't ever use it. I never search it. When people find crazy shit, I'll watch it, but I just don't get that platform. I understand it's popular. All right, let's take a look.
Trump basically gave small men the ability and the courage to be misogynistic and hateful and
Damn, what
say
the fuck is she talking
like
about?
your body, my choice.
Oh, this is the whole TikTok. She says customers are dropping like flies. Still, hasn't deterred her from her salon, and she's gonna keep it going. If I lose business because I posted a video that said if you support a racist, misogynistic, phobic, opist, and you're okay with it, then you are those things. Guess I lose my business. And she's okay with it. Is there more here? So, okay, they don't even play the whole TikTok, but they have links to some other ones. So let's take a look at some of these TikToks here. You are wrong and will lose your business. Let's see how she responds to this. This is, and by the way, don't bother this woman or any of her stuff. Like, that's something you should ever do. Keep it all here in the comments here and stuff like that. Don't go bother people. So let's play this.
I don't think that I will. And if I lose my business because I posted this
Nose piercing, by the way, seems to be a common, like, kind of red flag.
and this misogynist, homophobic, rapist, and you're okay with it, then you are those things. I guess I lose my business. But I don't think that's gonna happen. And as my ex-husband always tells me,
Ex-husband with 3 kids, by the way.
just because the ignorant and the hateful are the loudest group does not mean they're the majority. I think there are more people who are willing to stand up for human rights than there are hateful people in this world. So to all the lovely, lovely people who are supporting me in my video and my stance, I appreciate you so much. Thank you.
So, it basically, she thinks that by doing this, there's going to be a flood of support from all the radical leftist people. They're all going to flood in her salon, and business is going to boom. Instead, the opposite has happened, and business is dropping. Like, she's quadrupling down on it. Here's another one. This is a video about this comment that says, you should learn to allow people in your life that don't always agree with you and your own opinions. You may find you will end up very alone and bitter. And she said, it's cool. I'm sorry about the volume too. I've got it as high as it can go. I know it sounds kind of low, but there's not really much I can do about it. But let's take a listen here and see what she has to say.
You should learn to allow people in your life that don't always agree with you and your opinions. You may find you will end up very alone and very bitter. No. Grunt, Rob, grunt. No. That's the difference. It's not a differing in opinion, it's a differing in morals. And I don't have to allow people to be around me that have
The fuck is she
different
talking about?
morals. If you're okay.
It is a difference in opinion. Like, these people think that as soon as he comes in, they're going to get all their rights taken. What rights?
All right.
Welcome to Bald Guy Money. I am Bald Guy, and with November in the books, I think it's a good time to take stock of where we're at with gold and silver so we can get a better sense of what awaits us as we finish 2024 and move into 2025. So to start, looking at the past 12 months, silver has had 5 winning months, so less than half of the months, but is still up 26% over that time despite having less than half of those months as winners. Gold, on the other hand, has had 9 winning months in the last 12 and is up 32%, which is the same as the S&P 500 over that period, which has really been on a roll and has made gains in 10 of the past 12 months. And I have to admit that the strength we've seen in stocks in 2024 has come as a bit of a surprise to me, as I had expected the price of the S&P 500, when priced in gold and silver, to move towards 2020 levels, with us eventually reaching something in the ballpark of 2008 prices over the next 3 years. And mind you, that is despite the fact that we reached my price targets for gold and silver that I shared on December 17th, 2023. And for my newer viewers, you can see those numbers on the screen here. Now, the main driver of that strength in stocks, as we take a peek in at the top 10 assets by market cap list, has clearly been tech stocks, fueled by the AI narrative, as well as speculation in Bitcoin, which I covered in detail in last week's video. And as a result of that, gold and silver's share of the top 10 assets has remained relatively flat, as they make up only 50.1% of the value of the top 10 assets right now. But remember, that still means gold and silver together are as valuable as all the companies listed on the screen, plus all the Bitcoin in existence. And that fact alone shows us what important assets they are, even if some people like to say they're obsolete, which in my opinion, this data shows that they obviously aren't obsolete. Anyhow, with insider stock selling, specifically of bloated tech stocks, reaching an all-time high, which is even higher now than the 2021 selling frenzy that led into the short-lived 2022 bear market for stocks, I think now is the time to assess how we'll likely finish the year and what awaits us in 2025. So in this video, we are going to take a look at historic gold and silver price performance for the month of December, which I hope will be useful for those of you planning on gifting precious metals for Christmas. Then I want to review my outlook for 2025 and tell you about how I see the first half of the year developing versus the second half of the year. And we'll finish this video with a viewer question on the topic of China, quantitative easing, so their money printing program, and the status of their gold and de-dollarization initiative. Now, just before we dive in, I have a brand new free article for you all to read at summitmetals.com on the topic of how much of someone's net worth should be in gold and silver, and it's really a great guide for people who are serious about wealth planning, so please check it out. And remember, if you're looking to buy gold or silver at a great price with 5-star service, Summit Metals can help you out with that too. There are currently some amazing deals on the site, like these Walking Liberty rounds for only $1.49 above spot. And unlike some dealers, there's no limit to how many you can order. So I'll leave the links to the article as well as this great deal in the video description below. And thank you to everyone who has already given Summit Metals a try, as it really supports what I'm doing here. Now, getting into it, on the first point, which is what will happen with gold and silver in December. Is there such thing as a Santa rally that will push the prices of gold and silver up? And is now the time to buy before that happens? Well, to start, we have this data that I showed you all in last week's viewer question portion of the video, where I talked about how to get the most for your metals when you sell and how to build a plan around seasonality to better plan your buys and sells. And for those of you who saw that, you'll remember this data from the LBMA, and it shows us that from 1975 to 2020, December was the 4th best month when it comes to gold price performance, with January being the 2nd best. So not bad at all for those 2 months. But what this data doesn't take into account are things like the precious metals ETFs that were launched in the early 2000s, a shift towards gold buying by the world's central banks since 2010, and national debts that combined are more than $100 trillion today. So to account for that, I looked at price performance for each December since 2000 for gold, and if that performance was at all linked with how we started the next year in January. And what I immediately noticed was that since 2000, 67% of Decembers had positive price development for gold, with the price of gold going up every December, now listen to this, for the last 7 years. And that's definitely a strong correlation and a very good indicator that gold can go up again in December of this year after having a weak November. And as far as Januaries go, what we notice is that month comes with larger price movements on average, with 63% of Januaries being positive since 2001, with 8 of the last 11 Januaries resulting in a higher price for gold. So again, a very strong argument can be made for these months being good for gold. But what I want you all to notice when it comes to seasonality is that despite December and January being strong months for gold, gold has had positive years in 18 of the last 24 years measured, which includes this year where we're up about 30% year to date. And that means gold went up in December and January less times than it did for the whole year over this period of time, which builds a strong case for maintaining a schedule and purchasing all year long. When it comes to silver, December seems to be a coin toss with no clear trend of up or down. And building on something I shared on X a couple days ago, we may just see another retest around the $29 per ounce level before we move up again. And for those of you who aren't following me on X and would be interested in seeing regular updates like this daily, please make sure you're following me on X, just as a little reminder. Anyhow, coming back to this data set, the other thing I noticed is that January is statistically a very strong month for silver, and although there are no guarantees how this January will shake out, and I will share my thoughts on 2025 in a moment, silver has had as many up months in January since 2001 as gold has had Decembers since 2000, which means it also goes up in price. Silver goes up in price in January more often than it finishes the year with a higher price. And I think this data can be very useful for some of you who are planning to either buy or sell some silver very soon. And if you think this type of data is useful, please let me know in the comments section so I can know to add this type of analysis regularly to the channel in order to keep you all updated. Now, before we move on to the viewer question for this video, I promised you all that I would revisit the 2025 outlook that I first touched on in August of this year. Because what I was talking about then, as we were headed into a Federal Reserve rate cutting cycle, was that metals would boom, crash, and then boom again, if you remember the thumbnail from that video. And I've received some questions about whether I still think this will be the case based on what we saw when the Fed cut rates in 2007, which was followed by a market crash and then a metals blow off top where gold and silver got near $2,000 and $50 per ounce respectively. So where I stand today, looking at the market and looking at the possibility of a sell-off in stocks, is that we should all be prepared for a potential sell-off in the first half of 2025, because that's likely when we're going to get the most bad news, as it becomes politically advantageous to reveal just how much rot there actually is in the system and start to tackle it head on. And I am going to cover this topic a bit deeper when we get to the viewer question portion of the video in a moment, but ultimately what I think this will result in is a pullback in the first half of 2025, or in the very least, some months of consolidation and sideways to slightly downward movement in the prices for both gold and silver before things pick up again in the second half of the year, at which point I expect higher prices than the 2024 highs for both gold and silver. But to manage your expectations, these are the price levels I am prepared to buy aggressively should we see them as I continue my regular DCA into metals, because you never know when or why price may take an unexpected bounce to the upside. And this is something I've been warning all of my Patreon members about, and I am not trying to go all in at the bottom. And as I switch back to this data, I say don't try to pick the bottoms, because there are a whole lot of people who waited for Harry Dent's $800 gold. Let me know in the comments if you were one of those people who were waiting for Harry Dent's $800 gold. And those people are sitting on nothing but devaluing cash today. So please keep in mind that as gold has gone up in price 75% of the time in the 2000s based on annual price performance, this is really a wealth protection mechanism for dummies, and I say that proudly because I've been a dummy many times in my life. But the one place I've been pretty smart is with my consistency with respect to buying gold and silver on a schedule, and it's something that has really paid off since I started back in 2008. Now, with that covered, it's time to move on to this video's viewer question, and please remember, you can submit your questions to me in the comments section of every video I do. I pick one question to appear in a video every single week, and you never know, your question may be the next one that I pick to cover. So this week's question comes from IDC Woodcraft, who I think has his own channel, but he's been a very loyal viewer for a long time now. So I felt it was only appropriate to answer one of his questions. And this is a good one because it ties in very well with current events. And Mr. Woodcraft, as I'll call you, asked me, what are my thoughts on China QE? And for those of you who don't know what QE is, that means quantitative easing, which means money printing. Will it strengthen the US dollar? And I will take that question one step further and add my own question in here. How will it impact the prices of gold and silver? So to start, most of us are aware that China announced a $1.4 trillion stimulus package about 3 weeks ago. But what many of you probably don't know is that a lot of the money in the package is aimed at supporting their struggling real estate market and easing the debt burdens of their local municipal governments. And this has led many people to say that the measures don't go far enough to stimulate activity on the consumer side of things, and it's why we saw Chinese stocks sell off after the stimulus was announced, and why some people are calling for stronger stimulus to support reaching the 5% GDP growth target for this year in China. Now, some have speculated that China was slow playing things leading up to the US presidential election and continue to do so in the wake of Donald Trump's victory, as they want to have some gas in the tank just in case case they get hit hard by tariffs. And with Donald Trump threatening tariffs against China, as well as threatening additional tariffs for BRICS nations, if they undermine the US dollar's status as the global reserve currency, which happened just yesterday, by the way, and that is another thing that I covered on X, that seems to be a real threat to the Chinese export economy. Now, I don't presume this threat will result in any immediate change of course for the BRICS, or for gold for that matter, as it's not only BRICS banks that are buying gold, and I also think this pours a little cold water on all the Bitcoin reserve hype, because if Donald Trump is saying that the United States dollar is such an important element of the global reserve system, I think it would be a bit contradictory for them to set up a Bitcoin reserve, which would seemingly undermine the dollar's status as the reserve currency of the world. But with that said, I'm going to leave that topic for another video. Anyhow, how this will end, nobody knows, but what many are expecting is increased stimulus in the direction of Chinese consumers as a result of all this talk to offset the impact of Donald Trump's potential tariffs against China. Because with nearly 18% of the world's population and more than 25% of global investment and manufacturing being Chinese, the Chinese consumer only accounts for 13% of global consumption. And that's something that the Chinese will want to tap into if they can't rely on the United States as much going forward. So how will that impact the value of the US dollar versus the Chinese yuan and the US dollar on a global scale? Well, to start, the Chinese manipulate the value of their currency to keep their export economy strong. They weaken the yuan when they need to make their exports more attractive, and they strengthen it when times are good and see the opportunity to earn a bit more money. And although quantitative easing should weaken the currency, they are still the second largest foreign owners of US treasuries, which means they have the capability to support their currency by selling these bonds and buying yuan on the open market if they need to, and we have seen them do that a few times already since 2020. And with the threat of US tariffs against them, they may in fact want to pursue a weaker yuan policy and allow the yuan to weaken a bit just to keep their exports attractive for US consumers. So ultimately, I don't expect any major changes in the value of the yuan versus the US dollar other than changes that benefit the Chinese government. Now, moving on to the US dollar on a global level, which of course has a little more impact on the prices of gold and silver, we have seen all of this tariff talk push the dollar up since Donald Trump became the clear favorite to win the presidential election. And that's because the market thinks the tariffs will drive prices up, and as a result of that, the Fed will have to fight against inflation again, which is caused by the tariffs, and not lower interest rates as much as they had planned, or even raise interest rates as a result of that. But what I can say about this is that it is absolutely a false assumption. And a lot of people who are betting on a stronger dollar and weak precious metals prices are going to get, at some point in time, caught with their pants down. And this is why. Donald Trump himself has said he will pursue a weaker dollar policy, and a part of that is driven by his desire to make American exports more attractive. And a way for him and US Republicans to force that agenda, despite the fact that Jerome Powell might not want to play ball with him, will be to make some of the harder decisions the US government is facing earlier on in 2025 as he becomes president in January. And what I expect to see is, I expect to see them pull a lot of government spending that has thus far been propping up the US economy and labor market, while using Joe Biden and the previous administration as the reason why things have gotten so bad. And these plans, by the way, already seem to be in place, and once that support is pulled, I expect to see the US unemployment rate adjust to a higher level to reflect the reality we saw in September's major divergence between official unemployment and what unemployment would have been if no government jobs had been added. Once those government jobs start to disappear, I expect a recession to be declared retroactively, reflecting a starting date somewhere in 2024, paired with pressure on Jerome Powell to maintain course on interest rate cuts to stave off the recession. This could be followed by some sort of stimulus, whether tax-based or injected into the economy, like we saw in 2020 and 2021 during C-19. But as far as my expectations go, I expect this stimulus to be in the form of tax cuts. all of which will continue the dollar on its path back below 100 on the DXY dollar index, and the US national debt on a trajectory to surpass $40 trillion by 2026 or 2027 as tax receipts stagnate despite the growth we may see in the economy. And I'm not negating that fact. I think that the economy will grow as a result of that. But I do think that we will see core, so non-discretionary spending remain largely unchanged because a lot of the career politicians in the House of Representatives and the Senate will not be willing to take those hard decisions as they will be up for election in a few years. Ultimately, I think this will have positive impact on the prices of gold and silver, similarly to what we saw during Trump's first term as president when metals started to move up in early 2019, even though he implemented tariffs on China, the EU, Canada, and Mexico in 2018. So, IDC Woodcraft, although a temporary bounce in the dollar is possible as a result of China's quantitative easing, Donald Trump's tariff policies and a potential crash of the US stock market, I do not believe it will be long-lived, and by the end of Donald Trump's second term as president, which is a good time scale to look at right now, I expect the dollar to be lower than 100 on the DXY and gold and silver to be significantly higher than they are today. So I hope that answers your question. Thank you very much for asking it. With that said, that's it for this video. I want to thank you all for watching. Please remember to leave a comment. Leave me some feedback on what you thought about this content. This channel is ultimately for you, and what I'm trying to do is deliver the best content to keep you informed on the topics that you want to be informed on. If you enjoyed this content, please remember to leave a like, as that has a big impact on how wide of an audience this video reaches. So if you think this message is important and want it to reach a wider audience, please remember to leave a like now, and remember to share it with people you know who you think need to hear this message.
All right.